lovebirds.
Yeah.
One is green and the other one.
The black-necked swan. The Caldwell Zoo. The Caldwell Zoo began as Caldwell Children's Zoo in 1937 in the backyard of Mr. and Mrs. D.K. Caldwell's home. The zoo consisted of 1 parrot, 2 squirrels, and a monkey. In 1953, Mr. Caldwell organized Caldwell Schools Incorporated to operate the zoo and Caldwell Play Schools and moved the zoo to its present location. The zoo is a living reminder of D.K. Caldwell's love of children and dedication to the people of the city of Tyler and East Texas. Awesome.